My so-called life is sponsored by How's it going? I'm Godless Sewing and this is the Godless Sewing channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how I finally deal with my serger. I'm going to rant about mini sewing machines, and I found another beautiful bootleg sewing machine straight from Japan, and whatever this is. And there it is, my white Speedy Lock serger. You know, everything in this room works, or is going to. But this serger, since day one, has fought me tooth and nail. I got it going, I thought I got it going, and then it seized again. I got it working again, I completely took it apart, I put it back together, and now we're gonna see what happens. You know, having a serger is really important because that's the difference between your clothes looking homemade or looking professional. Right now, if you were to look in the seam of your shirt, a serger was used on the shirt that you're probably wearing right now. So, with all of that being said, like I always say, instead of talking about it, let's go see if it works. After all the drama, I'm gonna see if my serger works. And if not, I think I might have found a place for it. But before we get to that, let's see if it works. So I've done a lot of work to this. Oh my. You know, the funny thing is that this serger has been a problem since day one. So when you buy something at a thrift store, it is always buyer beware because it's there for a reason. All right. Okay, so that's my first attempt. Did it even stick it together? Oh, wow. Okay, we're gonna give it one more. Come on. Make sure all the numbers are lined up. Oh, you look like you're thrown off a little bit. We'll give you some help. All right. And it's a complete mess. You know what? Instead of getting angry and instead of freaking out, I think I have a place for this serger to go. So it is no secret that I absolutely love mini sewing machines. So today, when I saw the Singer Lock Stitch 2000, I kind of laughed. Because when I left the house today, I told myself, you will not buy a sewing machine. So when I saw it for $6.99, I was like, you know, okay, I bought another sewing machine. But the whole reason that we're here in the first place is because there is not much of a difference between a toy sewing machine and a real mini sewing machine. So on the right is something that you would see that's more in the $50 range, and those are complete junk. I opened up one of them to show that mainly plastic parts, and in the end it's just not gonna last, and it's not gonna take the wear and tear of constantly moving. The shimmer and the sparkle in the middle is one of those sewing machines that they have a million different names, but they sell them everywhere. Don't buy them, they will fall apart on you. In the back, I have my Singer M1000 and my Tiny Tailor. They look very much like the Lock Stitch 2000, but both of them are actual sewing machines and work as sewing machines. The Lock Stitch is more of a toy sewing machine that you would give to a little kid, but it's well built because it's Singer, but it's sold around the same price. So if you were gonna get a sewing machine for a child, I would recommend buying them an actual M1000 or something that's gonna last much longer than a plastic sewing machine. But with all that being said, I love these mini sewing machines. And one day I will go to a thrift store and be able to walk past one, but it was not today. So, like everything else, welcome to the fleet. So this is my retro 1960s white sewing machine. Not to be confused with the White Sewing Company or the White Rotary Company. This particular machine is a complete bootleg from Japan, and I'm here for it. The second I saw Morse on the case, I knew exactly where this machine came from. And when I looked at it, it's a beefy machine. So even though it's from the 1960s, it's a bit of an industrial machine. And once I got it going, I saw how powerful this machine is. It also has no plastic gears, and it has a setting for cams. So I got this at my local thrift store for 20 bucks. The guy told me it was completely seized and not working. I kind of laughed because most sewing machines have a common problem of age, of just sitting there, and after a while they stop working because they're not properly maintained. So I gave him his 20 bucks and moved on with my day. But I completely scored with this machine. Like I always say, instead of talking about it, let's check it out. So first off, how can you not love this Tijuana teal green foot pedal? The second I saw this, I was like, you know what? It may not be from this machine, but this foot pedal is hilarious. So with all of that out of the way, before I show you that the machine works, let's see how we got here in the first place. So, like I said earlier, most sewing machines just need tender love and care. Especially the older they get, they probably just need oiling or a simple adjustment. And with all of that being said, the fact that I even got this thing going was kind of amazing. But for a bootleg machine, I totally scored. So, like I always say, welcome to the fleet. And as always, stay creative. So for as much as I completely and utterly have disdain and I despise my serger, I will continue to work with it. I utterly and completely scored with the white sewing machine, and I'm actually excited to see what potential that machine has because, again, it's an industrial machine. And, you know, my usual rant about sewing machines is if you're going to spend the money, you know, buy a real sewing machine. Don't waste your money on the cheap stuff because it's not going to last. And, you know, in this case, plastic parts aren't always better. So, if you've made it this far, I thank you. And as always, reinforce your seams, be yourself for those who can't, and I will definitely see you next time.
I'm the king of rock, there is none higher. Sucker MCs should call me sire. To burn my kingdom, you must choose fire. I won't stop rocking till I retire.
Now we rock dog parties and come correct. All cuts are on time and rhymes connect. Got the right to vote and we'll elect. And other rappers can't stand us, but give us respect.
Like Cooper Cool in the gang. Roll to the rock, rock to the